What's up, my makeup slayers? My name is Eve. In this video, I am trying a TikTok trend. Yes, my old encrusted busted butt is trying a new trend. So I see everybody on TikTok that is killing this trend. It's the reverse cat eye look. This is now my second try because I tried it. I looked like I got punched in both of my eyes. So I'm going to save you from seeing that footage. So I had to quickly take a makeup wipe it off, and try this again. So I had to put concealer back on. So if my makeup doesn't look perfect, you know why. Because I look terrible. I even looked at my son. He's like, oh God, what did you do? And from that point on, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna have to re-record this. So if my makeup's not perfect, now you know why. So hopefully I can do this second time and I don't have to do this a third because my eyes are burning of having to do it. All right, so I'm gonna start grabbing stuff and I'm gonna show what failed miserably. And this is the Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. And this was terrible. That's what ruined my eye makeup. So this can get the fuck away from me right now because I'm so irritated at that thing because that is where it started at. Now, if you have not yet, please join me in the laughs and watch me review makeup and skincare. So subscribe to my channel, share it, because that's the only way someone as my size gets shown on YouTube, because YouTube doesn't want to promote me at all. So I need my help from my friends. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Adding that on. And I'm using the eye pencil, same brand, but it works better. And this is the Revlon So Fierce. And this works a lot better than the Color Stay one. All right, I'm gonna blend that out. I honestly thought I would come on here and do that trend, make it look perfect first try, and you guys be wowed at my talent, but the fail was really bad. Now I'm just going over with my Milk Makeup black eyeliner. I like how that looks. And before I failed, I saw that mixing eyeshadow in with it looked really pretty. So I took the eyeliner and I just flicked upwards very slowly, if you saw me doing that. And then when I blend, I always blend with a shadow. That really locks it in place. And that's the first mistake I did not do. That's when it all went wrong. Trying to see if I can flick this out even more. The color of it. If you want more intense color, stamp it on. So my favorite is a blown out eye look. That is my all-time favorite. Now, I'm gonna grab my blender brush because my eye makeup doesn't look that good from when I initially did it, because like I said, I had to take a makeup wipe and start all over again. See, this I like. This is extremely pretty. The one I did before, it looked like I got punched in the face. So like I said, what I did is I took the eyeliner right over here, the Milk Makeup or the Revlon So Fierce. This one I think works a lot better than the Milk Makeup one. For some reason, it was flaking as I was putting it on, so that would ruin the makeup. So I really like the So Fierce one by Revlon. And then you put that on, and then when you blend it out, grab a shadow. You can do black. What I did is I did this pretty green color, this really dark color. I think it added dimension to my eyes, and I think it absolutely looks stunning. So I'm a perfectionist, so I'm going to add a little more color stamped on. But I am so much happier with this look. This looks so much prettier. I wish you could see. I'm not that talented when it comes to editing, of taking that clip and putting it on. But I look like a hot mess. Now I'm putting some highlight. And hopefully that doesn't mess up the whole look. Brush away the flakes the Milk Makeup did. But this is a bomb eyeliner. Absolutely love this. If you're in the grocery store, get this one, the Revlon So Fierce. Do not get the one I threw, the Color Stay Revlon. Don't get that one. So I would actually do this trend again. This is really pretty. I'm going to get really close so you can see. That looks breathtaking to me. Am I going to rock this every day? No. My thing is, my go-to that I love so much is doing my liquid liner. My babies right over here, the Natasha Microblade and the Makeup by Mario. These are my babies. I feel comfortable doing this. This is a bit new. Let me know if I'm pulling it off. Do I look retarded with how old I am wearing this trend? Be honest with me. So that is the end of my video. I think this went a lot better than my first one. Hopefully I don't look too busted for you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what you think of this eye look. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I am going to grab my co-star. But like I said, share this video too. I'm still new, so YouTube does not promote my videos. And that shaking of the ground is our co-star coming to join us. She decided to jump. And I think she may have hit the camera. So if the camera shook, you can blame her for this. All right, guys, so share my video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye, guys.